Welcome to the Euro-Mediterranean University, or EMUNI. We are hosted in the beautiful medieval town of Piran on the Adriatic coast of Slovenia. EMUNI is not a conventional university. Established as one of the 6 priorities of the Union for the Mediterranean in 2008, we work through cooperating with a huge network of other universities across the Mediterranean. Currently, our network has 140 plus universities from 33 countries in the EU and the South Mediterranean. We provide postgraduate studies, and sustainable development is at the heart of our mission, particularly focusing on sustainable development of the region, of the Euro-Mediterranean region. As such, we conduct programs and projects that are focused towards collaborating with the community and also on preserving the environment. Advantages of studying at EMUNI include an international environment where students and staff come from different countries across the Mediterranean. We also have blended learning, so you can work and study at the same time. You don't have to be present at EMUNI for the full duration of your program. We provide practical education manifested by field trips and practical studies, so learning by doing. We also provide scholarships, mobilities to other universities during your studies, and also internships in companies and practical education and practical trainingships during your study. EMUNI is really geared towards the skills needed for our future jobs.
Na naši spletni strani najdete seznam akreditiranih visokošolskih zavodov in študijskih programov ter evalviranih višjih strokovnih šol skupaj s poročili strokovnjakov in odločitvami sveta agencije. Spletna stran je v celoti prilagojena osebam z različnimi oblikami invalidnosti in oviranosti.